Do not forget K motorbike ใช่ไหม
Hello guys, thank you who subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you who write comment my video. Now Thailand have around 9 p.m. and me and Anne, we now go to laundry room where Thai people wash clothes, and I show you how this room looking and where a lot Thai people closed where Thai people washed clothes. Okay, let's go.
Sometimes we not work.
Oh, don't have people. Why? Okay guys, we arrived already and I show you how looking. But I like Thai tonight. I don't know why, but I like. Okay, I show you. This special build, just stay. Oh. Guys, you listen music. Yeah. Thai people sabai, it's mean relax after work. Okay, go look how looking. Oh, you see have washed machine. Not beautiful.
You
And this show how and what you can do for wash. And have English too. Yes, dryer instruction. And people washed already, but have a lot free. And have table. When you washed, you can sit and wait. And this is machine where people can buy.
and save coin.
Oh, put money. Don't like your money. Change money for coin. Because this machine use only 10 coin because have price 10. Okay. You not buy, you just change.
Yes, that's it.
Oh, and I have idea because guys, where I live my room have to have washed machine too, but and want washed here because easy, quickly, and I forget English when hot, dry, and can have can use dry too already, but my room just stay wash motion. I clean and I when finish I just take clothes and put outside and wait. But here today I first time I never go this, I never wash, but and today won't do it, and I just think I take video, why not? And you can look how Thai people washed, but I see too much Thai people come and washed. And this machine for 15 kilo
And
maximum.
150 or
No, I think can have.
no, only for that. dry.
Ah, for dry,
And-
here for dry.
And you think 15 kilo or 25?
But I think here more than 5 kilo.
15.
Or
But
more than 5 kilo.
People show not more.
I think
I
15,
try.
yes, normal.
I try.
Because have different size. 15 kilo, 10, 9.
come for me?
Ah, it's not 9, it's just number. 15 kilo, yes, just 15 kilo. But this is dry, yes? Okay. Here mentioned just for washed clothes, but here up for dry clothes. Now I understand.
No, I
Oh. And thing have more than 15 kilo, okay. And change machine, this machine for 25 kilo. Okay. For use data again.
I never do.
70 baht. Right?
18, yes, because
No.
for
80 baht.
for warm water. No more on
And he put too much for detergent forward. I think shampoo too much. I show you maybe. Oh, maybe too much. I don't know. Maybe normal. I don't know. We will see. Normal moment, no, but anything too much. Okay, and we need just wait time. What time? How many time? 24 minutes. Yes. And this show how long time was 24 minutes. Okay, guys, closest finished. $50. Water, and we go buy water. Here near have very popular shop in Thailand. It's international shop. Have name 7-Eleven. And here near, and we go buy water a little bit. You see, very near here, very near. It's here laundry house and hair shop. 2 minutes walk, 2 minutes. I think 1 minute. Oh, dog Saba tired. 7-Eleven. Oh, very relaxed because 7-Eleven have air condition and good cool. Cheesy bar.
I remember you like it.
Oh, ice cream have cheese.
Cheesy
Cheese.
bar. What we want buy now?
But we come for buy water. Only water. You want ice cream? Oh, yes, yes, water here. And too much I buy this water, just 7 but you don't want just water? You want buy same juice?
Water.
Ah, water, but what have inside more?
Coconut.
Coconut? Water with coconut. Oh no, just coconut water. Okay,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Ah. Coconut max.
Buy two.
100 coconut water.
Use of one.
I think we can drink one bottle or not.
Ten.
Okay.
Buy
And how much?
25.
25 baht. And tell me, buy one or two? I think can one. Why? What you want look more?
Sitting on it.
Ah,
What?
so you hungry?
No, just this or this or this.
But this, yes, it's delicious gel, right? It's gel.
Yes, yes.
I know. I think this
This.
strawberry. Buy two. Okay. Okay, we buy water, coconut water, we buy gel, and we back. Okay, we back laundry room and wait when finish. We have planned just go to wash bath, and we washed and eat and walk a little bit. Oh, and delicious. Aroy. I tell you, my subscribe who watch my video, English it's not my native, and I try speak English and I try learn and speak Thai, and aroy it's mean delicious. And maybe you learn with me Thai language a little bit too. Why no? It's a good idea. Okay, we back already.
Well, not pocket.
Chai. And yes, I go check how many time. Wait. Oh, 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes finish. Oh, very hot. $15. 15. guys, and our clothes finished dry.